Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A53 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down, tap on Display, scroll down again and choose Font Size and Style. Over here, go into Font Style and tap on one of those font styles in order to apply the chosen one, like Gothic Bold. As you can see, style of my text has changed, but you can always go into the same font style settings, but this time choose Download Fonts. Now click on this icon next to font that you wish to download. I will go with Gorgeous and wait. Then when you go back, as you can see, my font is over here. If you wish to apply it, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!